Okay, so in this video, I'm looking to cover the targeting aspect in outreach. One of my LinkedIn posts here, our main topic was about targeting the wrong people, and this got some decent engagement on LinkedIn. And some of the things we talked about was like finding a laser focused ICP, um, more based on like capability fit, like decision drivers and like past attempts. So I kind of wanted to break down how to find your ICP, laser focus on your ICP. And it looks like we had a question here. It said, Young, how do you validate ICP assumptions before outreach campaigns? And then I responded, it's through like research methods. You could like dive into like niche communities online, um, using like LLMs obviously to do research, but really digging into like those niche communities and finding um, what people are saying online, even on LinkedIn or any social media channels where your ICP might be hanging out. And another thing is like recording of sales calls. So like what do people jump on calls and like talk about on sales call? Like what kind of pain points they're experiencing, what kind of tools they've used in the past, and what they're doing to solve it now. And another thing I've noticed a lot is just starting the outreach campaigns and getting all the feedback and data from it, whether your replies are actually positive or negative, um, really shows like what message is resonating and what kind of people are replying. And um, I feel like it's one of the most live and recent data you can find. So I was looking into maybe building out an ICP. Let's say your company is HubSpot. So we would say something like, what is HubSpot? That way ChatGPT has some context into what HubSpot does. And then it pretty much shows like all the features, the value props of what HubSpot does. And then you could ask some things like, um, what, who would be a strong ICP segment for HubSpot? And then break it down like SMBs, B2B SaaS companies, agencies, professional services. So these are different industries. But what I find really strong is when I say laser focused ICP is when we really break it down by like, can you break down each segment by things like the job title, um, like the headcount of the company. Some of the things are like the specific tech stack they use, um, like market sophistication. Um, you could also mention like buying triggers and anything specific that would make them a strong fit. And then it breaks it down very specifically, like the job title, headcount, tech stack, market sophistication. Okay, fit signals, talk about CAC efficiency. We could even take it down a notch or up a bit of each segment. And then we could get like the psychology behind it, the core fear, the core desires, psychological drivers. And that way we're able to craft messaging that really resonates. And ultimately you do all this so that you stop wasting time on unqualified demos, build sharper case studies, and you increase your LTV. Thanks for watching.